Welcome back, my fellow dreamers. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your life forever: your financial freedom. Let me ask you this: are you tired of the grind? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you ever dream of a life where your money works for you instead of you always working for money? If that's you, then you need to hear this. Today, we're talking about how you can build a portfolio worth millions using the power of dividend investing to create a life of financial independence. I get it. Most people struggle to save, and when they do, they don't know where to put their money. Even those who invest often find it frustrating to grow their savings into real wealth. But today, I'm here to tell you that you can. You can turn those savings into something far bigger than you've ever imagined. And the answer lies in dividend investing. Trust me, this could be the key to breaking free from financial stress, so stick around, watch until the end, because this knowledge could be the key to unlocking everything you've been hoping for. And I've got a special gift for you, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about why traditional retirement is outdated. In our last video, we discussed the old model of working until age 67 and then retiring. But really, who wants to wait that long to enjoy life? I know I don't, and I bet you don't either. That's why we're talking about the FIRE strategy. Imagine saving 25 times your annual expenses and retiring decades earlier than everyone else. But here's the thing: why stop at 25 times? Why not save 50 times or even 100 times so you never have to worry about money again? I know that sounds like a massive goal. You might be thinking, there's no way I could ever save that much. But don't be discouraged. It's totally possible. And here's the kicker: it doesn't have to take forever. The magic lies in compounding. It might take 15 years to save your first $1 million, but once you hit that milestone, your money starts working for you at lightning speed. That first $1 million can double in just a few short years, without you lifting a finger. Think about it. In just 5 years, your $1 million could turn into $2 million. And that's without any extra effort. This is how the rich get richer, and this is the power that's available to you. If you've been working toward your financial goals and feel like you're not getting anywhere fast, please don't give up. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Compounding takes time to kick in, but once it does, it's like a snowball gaining speed and momentum. Keep going, because once you hit that tipping point, your money will grow faster than you ever imagined. And then there are dividends. Even when the stock market crashes and everyone else is panicking, companies like Microsoft keep paying dividends. Why? Because their ability to generate profits isn't tied to stock price. It's tied to the company's actual performance. Dividends are real money in your pocket, no matter what the market is doing. This is why dividend investing is so powerful. It gives you control over your financial future, no matter what happens in the world. As your portfolio grows, your dividend income grows with it. Imagine a life where your income increases year after year without you working harder. That's the kind of freedom we're talking about. It's not a pipe dream. It's real, and it's possible for you. I know some of you are thinking, but can I really do this? I'm starting from scratch, and let me tell you, yes, you absolutely can. Reaching financial independence might seem like a long journey right now, but once you hit that first milestone, everything changes. Your money starts to grow exponentially, and before you know it, you'll be living a life of complete financial freedom. If this video inspired you, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to join our community of dreamers and doers. We're all on this journey together. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips that could change your life.